This 2026 K-Z Sportster 22X is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 28 feet 5 inches in length and features sleep 6, smoke detector, refrigerator, LP detector, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, slide out, spare tire kit, oven, awning, TV, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 K-Z Sportster 22X is 8,050 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.